Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Once again, this is Teacher Jesse at today, ang ituturo ko ay ang paano ba ang pag-solve ng volume of a sphere. Pero bago yan, sa mga bago pa sa aking channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe and click nyo ang notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga tutorial videos na i-upload. Okay, simulan na natin. Let's start with the drill. Solve for the volume of the following figures. Let's start. 10 by 4 by 5. Go! Okay, so I'll reveal the answer. 10 times 4 times 5, 10 times 4, 40, times 5 is 200 cubic meters. I hope that you got the correct answer. Number 2. Okay, and a cube which has an edge of 10 centimeters. Go! So, edge cube. So, 10 times 10 times 10, 10 times 10 is 100, times 10 is 1,000 cubic centimeters. Okay, next, the last item. Go! Okay, so I'll reveal the answer. 2 times 6. Ganyan lang yan. So, 2 times 6 times 1. So, 6 times 2 is 12. Tapos, kopyahin nyo yung tatlong zeros, rather. So, 12,000 cubic inches. Okay, I hope that you got all correct answers. Last time, we'll have a review. A cylindrical water tank is 10 meters tall and has a radius of 3 meters. How many cubic meters of water can the tank hold? Okay, so, kaya nyo ba? Subukan nyo. So, ito yung illustration. Ayan. Okay, so I will give you a few seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time. Go! Okay, so kung napanood nyo yung last video ko, makikita nyo itong problem na to. So, dun sa video na yun, exactly itong problem na to. So, yan, yung derivation. Area of the base times height lang yan. Pi r squared times height. So, the radius is 3, so 3 squared times 10, which is 90. 3.14 times 90 is 282.6 cubic meters. Did you get the correct answer? Okay, so next. This time we'll have a problem analysis. So dito na naman tayo sa panibagong lesson natin. What is the volume of a basketball that has a radius of 10 centimeters? Okay, so klarong-klaro na, diretso, volume na kagad ang hinahanap natin, and then basketball, so it is spherical or sphere. Okay, so alam niyo na ba kung paano kukunin ang ano yung formula ng volume of a sphere? Okay, so kung hindi pa, so ito yung figure, ayan. So papanood ko sa inyo itong video na to, nakuha ko to, hindi sa akin tong video na to. Napakaganda kasi ng derivation, illustrations ang gamit. So tingnan niyo at panoorin niyo ang video.
4 over 3 pi r cubed gives you the volume of a sphere. But where does the formula come from? First, we'll draw a perfect sphere and fill in its volume. Next, we will divide the sphere into equal-sized pyramids with square bases.
Yan, pyramid.
So let's take a look at one pyramid, and remember that its volume is equal to 1 over 3 area of the base times height.
Okay, and then ang area ng base
now,
is a
let's
square.
quickly show that the height of all the pyramids that make up the sphere is actually equal to the radius.
Okay, radius yan, yung height ng pyramid.
So our equation becomes 1 over 3 area of the base times radius.
Yan. So, ang
And we
height
will
naging
simplify
radius.
this equation by replacing radius with r and area of the base with b. We will be numbering the bases, so we start with base 1, and our equation is base 1 r over 3. So in order to find the volume of the sphere, we simply have to calculate the volume of the pyramids and add them together, giving us a simple formula.
Yan, napakaraming pyramid. Ayan.
So lining up the pyramids, we start from the beginning, and we have volume of the sphere is equal to base 1 r over 3 plus base 2 r over 3 plus base 3 r over 3. And we will continue this process up until the last pyramid. Now we don't know how many pyramids we have, so we just let base n r over 3 simply represent the last pyramid. So having added up the pyramids together, we have this complete simple formula to work with. So next, we will use algebra and begin by factoring out a 1 over 3.
Yan, pinactor out
And
yung
we will
1/3.
also factor out the radius,
Yung common kasi yung radius
giving
tsaka
us
yung
r
1/3.
over 3 times the sum of all bases. So now let's concentrate on the sum of all bases, and remember, these are the bases of the pyramids that make up this sphere. And as you can see, the bases actually form the surface area of the sphere.
Yan, surface area kasi yan lahat.
So the sum of all bases is equal to the surface area, which is equal to 4 pi r squared.
Yan, 4 pi r squared.
Now, a quick explanation for why the surface area is 4 pi r squared is first we'll look at our sphere and take its largest possible circumference. With that circumference, we'll make a circle. And now the amazing fact is the surface area of the sphere is equal to exactly 4 times the area of the circle. The area of each circle is pi r squared.
Yan, so 4 pi
Combine
r
them
squared.
together, and we get 4 pi r squared. So now let's go back to our simple formula and replace the sum of all bases with 4
4
pi
pi
r
r squared.
squared.
Ayan, pinalitan na.
Now we combine the r's together to get r cubed.
Okay,
And
r
now
squared
we
times
simply
r.
rearrange the
Sorry. Dito na tayo.
to get r cubed, and now we simply rearrange the equation to get 4 over 3 pi r cubed.
Ayan, so yun yung derivation.
So 4 over 3 pi r cubed gives you the volume of any sized sphere that exists.
Okay, so yun yung video na sinasabi. Yan, so balik tayo sa given. So since the formula is given by 4/3 pi r cubed, so substitute lang natin dun sa problem natin kanina, 3.14 and then 10 cube, and then 10 cube is 10 times 10 times 10, hindi 10 times 3 ha, which is 30. 10 times 10 is 100 times 10 is 1,000. Move lang natin ang 2 decimal places, 3 pala. So magiging 3,101 to 3,140 times 4 divided by 3. So magiging 4,186.66667 or 67. Pwede na diretso. Cubic centimeters. So ito yung volume ng basketball na hinahanap natin. Okay, so let's have another example, and this time, how about you to do it? Okay, find the volume of the sphere with a radius of 3 centimeters. You can pause the video and try to solve before I will reveal the answer. Go! Okay, so I'll reveal ko na, 4/3 pi r cubed. So 3 times, ayan, substitute lang, 3 times 3 times 3, 3 times 3 is 9 times 3, 27. So ayan, so 27. 3 cube is 27. 27 times 3.14 is 84.78 times 4 divided by 3. Pwede nyo gamitan ng calculator. 113.04 cubic centimeters. And this is the volume of this sphere. Okay, did you get the correct answer? Okay, very good. So I hope that you have learned something new today, especially how to apply. Pwede nyong gamitan ng calculator. Okay, ano bang gamit ng calculator kung hindi natin gagamitin, di ba? So importante, marunong tayo sa concept, alam natin kung saan nanggaling saan na-derive yung formula ng volume of the sphere. Okay, so this time, gaya ng dati, may bibigay akong isang enrichment problem, and pwede nyong i-comment sa comment section below ang inyong answer. A spherical tank for natural gas has a radius of 7 meters. About how many cubic meters of natural gas can it hold? Express your answer to the nearest whole number. Okay, so about how many surrounding of, so answer nyo is whole number lang. So kagaya kanina, kung 113.04, 113 lang yung answer. Cubic units. Okay, so that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you have learned. And if you like this video, please click like and share with others. And sana wag niyo kalimutan mag-subscribe para lagi kayong updated sa aking mga instructional videos or mga math tutorial videos na i-upload. See you next time!